Hello guys, today I will show to you how to blur background uh, from like this to become like this. The material link in the description below. It is safe to download because the link from Google Drive. Pay attention to the hint of shortcut at the bottom of the screen and pay attention to the written message at the bottom of the screen. First, I open the file. Its screen. I click twice to unlock and I name it original. And then I copy the press Ctrl J. Convert to smart object. Filter. Neural filter. I use depth blur. Okay. Click to the eye of the bird to arrange the focus. So the focus in the eye of the bird. So you can arrange the blur strength. And then you can arrange the focal range to arrange the depth of field. I think this is good already. And then output. For output, I think okay. This is the result. This is the before. This is the after. Before, after. If you see here, the selection of the blurriness not perfect, so I copy again. I press Ctrl J, the original file. I put on top. I convert to smart object. First, I change the name of this layer, become depth of blur, and then this layer I use filter, blur gallery, field blur. But before that, sorry, before that I have to make rectangle here to see the comparison later. I unlock the mask, then I use filter, blur gallery, field blur. This is the comparison, so I make it blur like the blurriness that I made before. This is too much. See this? I think this is okay. Just press OK. I lock first the mask and then I fill with black. I zoom here. I use brush mode normal, and then I brush here. Opacity 100, flow 100. But first, I think I have to select the bird first. I already select. Then I enforce the selection. body, then arrange the opacity of the brush. Okay, I name the layer blur. I lock the layer and then I group. I color the group to orange and I name it blur background. So this is the result. This is the before. This is the after. Before, after. Okay guys, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial.